Okay, welcome to Stickman Real Crime. My name is Justin, and I'm going to play this game. So let's play this. So it's loading now. So just have to wait, I guess. Now I'm going to be silent through the game if you want me to. Today I'm going to be robbing a tank. So good luck, and see you in a bit. Surprise, motherfucker. Okay, so I am now leaving the military base. So see you in a bit. I'm now being silent. Okay, I'm now going to a beach. If it lets me. Damn, motherfucker. So I'm now going to the military base to rob a helicopter. I've still got the cops on me. We are now entering the base. Yes! Oh, come on! Or I might be fired at by the military base people while I hijacked the helicopter. Yep. Some people can't shoot these on these games these days, can the people? Okay, so I'm now going back into the city. So I'm now going to blow stuff up. I'm going to jump out the helicopter to let it blow up. Okay, people. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a new video later. And please like and subscribe. See you next time. This is Justin signing out.